Alrighty guys, so I don't know who can really see this, but we basically got this side of the engine stripped down. Not sure what's going on with the motor, but you can see there's a lot of oil leaks on this. But when I remove the exhaust manifold, there's a lot of deposits, like calcium deposits. I'm not sure what that is, but there's a ton of it. There's a ton of calcium deposits, and I'm just glad that we're gonna rebuild this motor because this definitely needs a build.
We don't know